savory flavors. Today we are going to make Vankaya Perugu Pachadi or Brinjal Curd Chutney at home. Hope you would love the taste of it. For recipe in Telugu, please follow the link mentioned in description. Vankaya Perugu Pachadi or Brinjal Curd Chutney is simply a mouth-watering Andhra dish. Brinjal is the most favorite vegetable in India. Brinjal is known as eggplant or aubergine in some parts of world. Vankaya Perugu Pachadi is a simple eggplant raita. It has little smoky taste. In hot summer days, this dish serves as a cool stuff. Brinjal is the king of all vegetables and is so versatile that it can be easily mixed with anything. Brinjal curd chutney is low in carbs and rich in proteins, fiber and calcium. Let's see the ingredients. Curd 2 cups, brinjal big size 2, tomatoes 1.5 cups finely chopped, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt 3 teaspoons, mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, asafoetida half teaspoon, green chillies paste 2 tablespoons, coriander leaves small bunch finely chopped, curry leaves few, oil 2.5 tablespoons, red chillies 3. Apply oil to washed brinjals and place them on stove. Switch on stove and roast them at low flame. Once the side on the stove is roasted, slightly turn the brinjal sidewise. Keep turning the brinjals until half length of the brinjal is fully roasted on all sides. When half length of the brinjal is roasted, then roast the remaining half by sliding it back. Turn and roast the brinjals till the skin changes to black color and the brinjals become tender. Once they are fully roasted, then switch off stove. Wash the brinjals with water and place them in a plate and let them cool. Place a pan on stove at low flame. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Add tomatoes. Stir them once. Add salt and turmeric powder. Mix well and let them fry. Keep stirring at regular intervals. Fry till tomatoes are soft, then switch off stove and let them cool. Peel the brinjal skin. Slit the peeled brinjal with a knife to check if any worms are there or not. Cut the stem of the brinjal and put it in a plate or bowl. Like this, peel the other brinjal, check for worms, cut the stem and put it in the bowl. Mash the brinjals either with hand or with masher. Take the whisked curd in a bowl. Add tomatoes. Add mashed brinjals. Add green chilies paste. Add chopped coriander. Mix well. Place a ladle on stove at low flame for tempering. Add 1½ tablespoons oil. Add mustard seeds, asafoetida and red chilli pieces. Once mustard seeds crackle, add curry leaves. Once curry leaves are fried, switch off stove. Pour tempering on chutney and mix well. That's all. Tasty and mouth-watering Vankaya Perugu Pachadi or brinjal curd chutney is ready to eat. You can eat this with steamed rice, roti or plain khichdi, which is called pulagam in Telugu. Brinjal curd chutney can be relished as a side dish with kandipodi rice or nuvulapodi rice. So, we have seen how easy it is to make Vankaya Perugu Pachadi or brinjal curd chutney at home. You try it once and let me know how it is in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, press like, share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for visiting the Savory Flavors. Okay, bye for now. See you soon with another interesting dish.